A curious observer watches three clear cups filled with water, honey, and syrup, and notices how each liquid behaves when gently stirred. The scene shifts to a shadowed light source where a drop of dye lands on the surface and slowly travels, revealing the smoothness of each liquid. A hand taps the cups softly, and the subtle sounds echo different textures, while the colors blend into new gradients. The observer records times and notes which liquid responds fastest to stirring and why. In the end, a small chart summarizes speed, color, and viscosity, with a clear takeaway about everyday fluids.